Hey everyone, and welcome back to Isobe Food. Check out this perfectly marbled cut of beef. What if I told you that the most flavorful, tender cut of beef you will ever have is beef tongue? Well, it's true, and for those of you who are squeamish, you've been warned. Today, we are rocking a 36-hour sous vide beef tongue that delivers something I like to call beef butter. Let's get started. Beef tongue is a notoriously tough and unpleasantly textured cut. Oddly enough, this muscular taster is actually full of flavor. If prepared low and slow and just right, the results are perfection. Enter sous vide. This water bath cooking method cooks at precise temperatures, allowing us to render the fat and break down the connective tissues for melt-in-your-mouth bliss. Today, we'll be cooking 2 tongues in 2 different preparations. Start out by placing a rinsed tongue into a sous vide safe bag. Add in 1.5 tablespoons of kosher salt and a generous amount of freshly ground black pepper. Pour in 2.5 cups of beef stock and set aside. The other tongue will be seasoned simply with kosher salt and pepper and vacuum sealed. Place each of the bags into your water bath and sous vide at 158 degrees Fahrenheit for 36 hours. As far as the recipe goes, that's it. This is really just an incredible technique and cooking method that you should know about. Cheap, tough cuts of meat are really where sous vide shines through. After 36 hours, remove the tongues. Peel the outer membrane using a sharp knife. So, what to do with this? How about straining the beef jus and building some melt-in-your-mouth beef tongue French dip sandwiches? Conversely, cube up the beef butter and sear on high heat on all sides. You now have the makings for some out-of-this-world lingua tacos. Beef tongue party, anyone? So there you have it, folks. Sous vide beef tongue. Super simple technique here that delivers incredible results. And don't take my word for it. Here's a daring crew who are now speaking in tongues over beef butter. I really hope you enjoyed it today, and if you did, as always, please like, share, and subscribe. Be sure to come back next time to Isobe Food, where you get what you need to succeed in the kitchen. I'm your host, Jamie, and I'll catch you all next time.